What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jake to the In this video, I'm gonna show you how to take a beat. Maybe you want to rap, maybe you want to do whatever, but you can't come up with choruses. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do it simple, nice, and sweet. Because if you think about it, it's really not that much to it. You just gotta be a little bit creative, just add a little bit of flair to something simple. The master of simple hooks that are fire is 2 Chainz. Listen to his hooks. They are real simple, and that's kind of like the technique I'm gonna show you in this video. And what do I mean by that? I mean is, if you can't sing, if you kind of tongue-tied for words or whatever to make your hook, the easiest way to make a hook and to make it catchy is incorporate a cadence. Just make a cadence at the fewer words you can possibly can. Well, maybe not that you possibly can, but just make a hook with a cadence. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right now just by making a couple of choruses in this track that I did. This is what the beat sound like. Yeah. So that's just a little quick beat I did in Cubase Elements, and we got it popping. I used and actually I used a loop that comes in Cubase Elements. That's what the melody is. But anyway, so we're gonna make a quick hook. I'm not gonna even write it down. We're gonna make several versions of it, and this is how you can do it too. Make several versions and pick which one you like best. So let's get to it for the 5th time. So it's gonna be real simple. Let me think of something. I get money while you sitting on the couch looking. Oh, we gotta redo my tracks. I made a stereo track. We didn't want that stereo cause we didn't want no stereo tracks to do no chorus. Let's remove those real quick. Oh, I did that, man. Let's remove those real quick, and we're gonna add some more. Change that to mono. Call it chorus. This is what I like about Cubase, cause you just name it that, and it'll automatically name it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna do 6 of them for the time being. Let's see. Okay, now what was I saying? I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. Okay, you see that was nice, simple, and repetitive. Now, once you got that down, let's play it back. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. Okay, now that you got that version, then you can make it doper. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. Now you add that. Let's see if it sounds any better. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch looking. I'm getting money. Okay, you know how simple that is. Then you come over here to your EQ. You come over here to your EQ like this right here. Come over here, load preset, go all the way down to, we're gonna do phone line, so it'll sound like this. I'm getting money. Now watch it, we'll turn it down a little bit. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch licking. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch licking. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch. So that's one simple hook right there. Let's add another one. We're gonna add another one, let's see. Okay, I was thinking. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. Now you come over here like this. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. Then you can add a little extra ad lib to it right here. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. So we got two choruses right there that you can use, two different song ideas. Now, of course, you're gonna want to add effects and stuff to kind of freshen it up. This is just the bare bones of how to make a chorus with little or nothing effort, and it sound dope. Now, just imagine you can rap. Ooh, let's see what that sound like. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. And then if you want to add like a double to that first one, you just do it like this right here. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. And then you come up with this. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. We in the club throwing dollars on the thick ones. So we got two. Let's see what this. Go back to the first one. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch licking. I'm getting money while you sitting on the couch licking. So we got two song ideas and two different choruses with the same beat. Now let's come up with a third one. Come on now, let's go get it. We're showing you how to do it. Let me think of something. I'm thinking. She say she love me, but I can tell that she lying. She lying, she lying. She say she love me, but I can tell that she lying. She lying, she lying. Okay, you got that right there. You come up and do the same thing. She say she love me, but I can tell that she lying. She lying, she lying. She say she love me, but I can tell that she lying. She lying, she lying. Okay, we got that. Let's see what that sound like. Cause I already got another idea. She says she love me, but I can tell that she lying. She lying, she lying. She says she love me, but I can tell that she lying. She lying, she lying. Okay, then you come up here, over here like this right here. Go up to audio, and we want to process. What am I looking for? Where's it at? Where's it at? I don't see what I'm looking for. We're going to come down. Let's come down right here. Sample controller. We don't want to do that. Let's come over here. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Which track is this? She says we're going to come over here. Do a. Let's see if this is what I'm doing. Looking. She say she love me, but I can tell that she lying. She say she love me, but I can tell that she lying. She lying. Ooh, we use that octaver. She say she love me, but I can tell that she lying. She lying. She say she love me. Then you come over here with this. She say she love me, but I can tell that she lying. She say she love me, but I can tell that she lying. Okay, now we already know what key that is. We already know it's in A major. So then we can come over here and add your auto tune. Let's see what that sounds like. We're gonna do A major. All right, crank that bad boy all the way up. She says she love me, but I can tell that she lying. She lying. She says she love me, up a little bit. I can tell that she lying. Just like that, folks. We got 3 hooks on the song. Let's play. Well, I got my penning off because I used the same track. So let's listen to that. I kind of like that one. I probably should have did some more harmonizing in the beginning. Let's just go and do it for good measure. sound like? She said she love me, but I can tell that she lied. She lied. She said she love me, but I can tell that she lied. Okay, I don't know what that is. What just happened here, folks? Let's do that back. I don't like that part, so we're gonna cut that out. So unsnap that. We're gonna cut that out right there because we don't like that. Hey, hey, hey. She said she loved me, but I can tell that she lied. Boom. So there you go, folks. We got 3 choruses that you can get yourself going. I ain't say they're gonna be perfect, but they're 3 choruses. Now you put that beat, it was some break-ins, add some effects, some delay, some reverb, whatever you want to do to make it come alive, you can do it. Now I can't teach you everything. You got to come up with some yourself. But there's 3 ideas on how to make choruses quick and fast with very few words, just by using like a cadence to embed it in people's head. Get to be creative. Go on and make it happen and see what you come up with. Let me know what you come up with in the comments. This your boy. Peace. She said she loved me, but I can tell that she lied. She lied. She lied. She said she loved me, but I can tell that